Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove Kia Optima battery, only ways. Start by disconnecting the negative terminal with a 10 mm wrench, then remove the positive terminal, unbolt the hold-down bracket, and lift the battery straight up using both hands. Keep the battery upright, avoid tilting, and set it on a protected surface. Dispose or store the battery according to local regulations, and begin at the negative terminal and loosen the clamp to break the circuit, then do the positive terminal next. Remove any plastic covers, unbolt the hold-down bracket with a socket, and carefully lift the battery straight up to avoid spilling. If the battery is stuck, use a terminal puller or gently rock it free. Set the battery on a non-metal surface and cover the terminals to prevent shorting while you work. When reinstalling, clean the cable ends and battery posts to ensure a good connection and apply a thin layer of grease to prevent corrosion. Seat the battery fully in the tray, tighten the hold-down bracket to prevent movement, and reconnect the positive terminal first for safe startup. Reconnect the negative last, double-check torque on clamps, and test ignition and accessories to confirm proper installation. Dispose of the old battery responsibly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.